Who should take Python course training? Want to make big bucks and secure an empowered future? Learn Python programming, and you will. No, we're not talking about the reptile, we mean Python, the computer language. You'll comprehend it easily and can use those skills to land a wonderful career in the developing data science industry once you do. Why should you go for Python course training? Python is used for all sorts of things like building websites, web scraping, data analysis, machine learning, and natural language processing. The Python language is designed to be easy to read without sacrificing power, which makes it an excellent language for beginners to learn. Job opportunities after completing Python course in HP services: software engineer, Python developer, research analyst, data analyst, data scientist, software developer. Benefits of completing Python course in HP services. HP Services is leading training and certification company in Chennai offering corporate training programs. We have highly qualified and experienced faculty. 100% placement assistance. Authorized Pearson VUE exam center. Real-time training. Flexible timings.